forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss quadratic equation. Standard form of a quadratic equation. In chapter 2 polynomial, you have studied about quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial, and it is denoted by or standard equation of quadratic polynomial px equal to x square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0 and abc are constant. Now standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation is px equal to 0, where px is quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square plus x plus 3 equal to 0, 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Let's do some problems. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Question number 1. If it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, then it is called quadratic equation. So first simplify. Multiply these two brackets. First 2x into x, 2x square, then 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, then minus 1 into x, minus x, then minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 is equal to, now right hand side, x into x, x square, x into minus 1, minus x, 5 into x, 5x, and 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Now simplify. 2x square minus x square, so x square minus 6x minus x minus 7x, and 5x minus x, just like extra steps, minus 6x minus x minus 7x, plus 3 send minus 5 that side, so plus 8, 5x minus x, 4x. Next step, x square send 4x that side, so minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. Clearly, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Therefore, given equation is quadratic equation. Question number 2. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. So first simplify. A plus b whole cube. If you don't know, then write the formula. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab or a plus b. So apply this formula in left hand side. X cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into a, 3 into x into 2 in bracket x plus 2. Now simplify right hand side. 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 2x. First simplify left hand side. X cube plus 2 cube 8, 3 2 ja 6x into x plus 2 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now more simplify. X cube plus 8 plus 6x into x, 6x square plus 12x equal to 2x cube minus 2x. And now send that side. 2x cube, x cube minus 2x cube minus x cube plus 6x square, 12x plus 2x, 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Multiply throughout by minus 1. Normally first term is positive. So x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. Clearly it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore given equation is not quadratic equation. Next problem. Simplify. Left hand side as it is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. अब now apply formula a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab or in bracket a minus b. So apply this formula. Always write formula in rectangle bracket. Simplify. A cube x cube minus b cube 2 cube minus 3ab 3 into x into 2 in bracket x minus 2. X cube and x cube cancel. Next step minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to minus 8. 2 cube 8. 3 into 2 6 minus 6x. X minus 2 minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. Now rearrange minus 4x square. When we said minus 6 square, RHS to LHS. This is plus 6. Plus 6 minus 4x square. So we get 2x square minus x minus 12x minus 13x and 1 plus 8 9 equal to 0. Clearly it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore given equation is quadratic is a quadratic equation. Next problem. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Means area is given. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Let breadth be x meter. Then length is 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice of breadth 2x plus 1. So length equal to 2x plus 1, breadth equal to x, and area is given 528. Let breadth equal to x meter. Therefore length equal to 2x plus 1 meter. According to problem, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Means x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 528. Now simplify. x into 2x, 2x square, x into 1 plus x, and send 528 that side. So minus 528 equal to 0. This is required quadratic equation. Next problem. 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Ron's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We will like to find Rohan's present age. So first let Rohan's present age equal to x years and Rohan's age of his mother equal to x plus 26 years, because Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So age of his mother is equal to x plus 26 years. Now second line of question, the product of their ages 3 years from now. So after 3 years, age of Rohan is equal to x plus 3 and age of his mother is equal to x plus 26 plus 3 means x plus 29 years. According to problem, product of their ages is 360. X plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Simplify x into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 29, 87 is equal to 360. So x square plus 29 plus 3, 32x, and 87 minus 360. So minus 10 minus 7, 3, and 36 minus 9, 27 equal to 0. This is required quadratic. In next lecture, we will do solution of quadratic equation by spreading Millet term. Thank you. Have a nice day.